Hey there everyone, Steve the Amateur Historian, and pleasantly surprised to be bringing this particular little video to you because I'm going to be showing you video from a very long time ago, like before I was even really vlogging regularly, several years back, that I reposted on this channel and got buried because it was when my channel was new and nobody was watching. And it was something I videoed, left, and just the other day, I was in Oregon City for the first time in like 2 years. And me and my girlfriend were walking around there, and unexpectedly, I stumbled onto something that I again had vlogged several years earlier in a considerably different state. And this is actually a historical home known as the Barlow House. And when I first stumbled onto it, what attracted me to it was the fact that it was in a complete state of disrepair. And while it looked like some construction work was maybe going on there, it really looked like it was just kind of being left there to kind of fall apart. Well, when I passed it just the other day, meaning like, I think it was February 6th, and it's been completely fixed up. So I immediately knew I wanted to get a quick video of that to compare with the video that I took several years ago so you could see how far the reconstruction on this came in the Portland area, where a lot of places are just being torn down. So it's really great to see it when they do officially get fixed up. So first here, you're going to see the video that I took the other day showing what this house looks like now, completely fixed up, and then I'm going to flip it and show you the video I took several years ago before that process, and you can really see the transformation. Now, the video I am bringing to you, the older one, the original video is gone. I probably deleted it at some point. Even the edited video I did several years ago is gone. I can't find it. So what I'm putting on here is a download of the YouTube re-upload that I did. So the video quality is not the best, but it's all I really have. So all that said, here is a look at this wonderful transformation of the Barlow House in Oregon City.
While I'm out looking for cool houses, next to Charles Babcock House, there's this house, which looks totally abandoned. I'm gonna actually cross the street and walk up to this one. You know, there's no trespassing signs, but wow, look at this. Like, there's a window broken out. Yeah, it looks completely emptied. This house looks completely abandoned. I mean, there's a busted out window. Nobody's boarded it up. Like, this is new. Look at this. Like, see, this is new, but then you don't have a porch here yet. Look at this awesome old door. Yeah, I'm gonna look up this house too, because this has definitely got a historical. It is encouraging to see that this is obviously new, and this has obviously been ripped out, so something's being done here. I think they're just in the early stages of hopefully revitalizing this home. because, I mean, this is an old place. This place deserves to be preserved, especially in Oregon City. Alright, here's the part that's always scary. And dead body. No, yeah, look at that. Totally emptied out. And this is just a house between 14th and 13th Streets on Washington. And just look in there. It is just completely gutted out in there. There's the chimney going up. I just love to be able to see into the second floor up there, but oh Jesus. I don't want to know what's down there, honestly. So here's, yeah, I love these old houses with the big long windows. There's another view, and so, oh geez, check out that staircase. Oh, and then it's so funny because the rest of this place is so just battered and torn apart. And then you've got this like almost pristine staircase back there. That is so awesome. Oh. Yeah, just look at how just rot. I mean, this window is completely rotted away at its base. You've got insulation down there exposed. Like, yeah, look at this. And it's obviously somebody was sleeping here, which, I mean, whatever floats your boat. But yeah, see, this window's completely gone. It's got the rollers up there, so you actually would have to like roll these windows up. Sometimes you'd have to hold it in place with a cord. Like we have these kind of windows at my church. Now, because this window's busted out, you know, again, I'm not gonna go into the residence. I'm just gonna stick my camera inside so you can actually like see. I just need to not drop my damn camera. All right, let's just be safe. Not drop the camera in here. But yeah, this is the interior. Looks like, yeah, you can see into the next room over there. Yeah, this place is so dilapidated. You can't even really tell where anything is supposed to be. Like, I assume this is the living room up here, and maybe back there somewhere was where the kitchen was, because the rest of this house is just completely just decimated. And now I'm wrapping around. Like, yeah, look at this. I mean, just the wind or something over time has just completely just destroyed all of the paint has just been I mean, literally, it's just been like singed away from this place. Giddy up. Anybody need a toilet? Oh, man. Oh, dude. Check it out. You know it's not a creepy old house if they don't have one of these leading down into the basement. Oh my god. It's like, it's all rotted away. Oh, you can like see down under there. But yeah, this is one of those cool old things that you'd open this and then you'd go down a staircase into the basement. Oh my god, I wonder if this was for a stove. Because there's like a second chimney on the other side of the house. And see, I was thinking that the kitchen was more to this part of the house anyway. And if all of this isn't cool enough for you, old bathtub. And still serving a purpose after all these years, holding wood pieces, whoever's doing construction on this place. Look at that, with a pipe, and then the hot and cold would be. Jeez. Also notice the old toilet. It's got the on top flush option, which that's a great feature to have. And this toilet actually doesn't look that old. It's certainly not as old as the bathtub over there. And like, this looks like it's locked, but like not. I mean, I'm not going to try to go inside. I can't emphasize that enough, but I just hope that this isn't like super easy to access. I don't want people destroying this place. You know, this is so this is the bathroom. If you actually like kind of look down, you can see the handle there that like maybe the toilet paper would go on. So this is the bathroom in the back. And then again, I can only assume that this is the kitchen, or would have been the kitchen area. Fortunately, another window busted out. But yeah, look, there's a sink in here, and there's a view into the bathroom. Ah, it smells so musty. But yeah, look, you can look ahead here. There's the front door. The staircase is just the other side of that wood paneling there. I did not touch this glass. But yeah, look at this old sink and all these old, like, you know, wood paneling parts. They look like they're from the exterior of the house. And now we're kind of wrapping around back towards the front of the house. And it actually looks fairly good on this side. So you can tell a lot more winds have been coming from the south, north. Because the painting on the side, you know, it's got its damaged areas, but it's in considerably better condition. I love this. I love how they have the arched roof, but then the flat piece up here. And now, see, we got more windows that are just completely, yeah, see the glass is all over the floor? I can literally lean through this old window frame and, oh, dude, see, I couldn't gauge a view of this house from here, but look at this old vent. Because, yeah, there's a basement under here. Because obviously, you know, there's the entryway from down there, like, and this is, yeah, here's another old sink. This is probably was taken out of the bathroom. Right over there, because you've got the toilet, and then you got the old cast iron tub out here too. But yeah, check out the fireplace. It's like pink brick. That is so cool. And then this is like an entryway. So I'm assuming this was just a general corridor entry area. This whole area, the other side of this, that was all the living room. This area was, you know, the dining kitchen area. And then you have the bathroom, and then, you know, presumably bedrooms upstairs. God, you know, I am so fucking tempted to climb through this window and try to go upstairs, but I don't know what the rules are on this place. I don't want to damage anything. They're trying to fix this place, which I think is awesome. So I'm just going to let it lie. You know, I didn't even know this was going to happen today, so I'm satisfied. I want for nothing for the whole rest of the day. This was such a great find. And it's just, like, right on the main drag. This is just sitting here. Oh, damn. As usual, the guy who honked was the guy that would have been at fault for that accident.